And these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for Durban chicken curry. I have one half cup of olive oil. I do have 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chili, which is this one paprika, that one here. Then I have 1 tablespoon of coriander, which is this one over here. When I say 1 tablespoon of coriander, this is what I meant over here. This is the tablespoon. Then I do have garam masala powder, and that is the one over here. And all these ingredients are available in any of supermarket. I don't know where you guys are located at, but they're all available in supermarket or in the store. It will just depend with your location. And these are the chicken that I'm going to use right now. And first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour all my dry ingredients, and those are the spices, all the spices here. And this is curry powder, added by garam masala, then followed by coriander. Then I do have a teaspoon of chili, paprika. Then after that, I'll add my olive oil. Then after that, I'll just massage my chicken using my bare hands, and all of my hands are really clean. Before you massage your chicken, you must wash your hands very well, because you're handling food, and sometimes when you handle food, especially like chicken, you're supposed to be very careful, because you don't want people to get sick. Then I'll just massage this chicken like this, like so. And then after that, I need to wash my hands. And right now, since I've already marinated my chicken, I'll just put them into my baking sheet. Because I'm going to bake it for like 45 minutes. Because I want my chicken to be well cooked, to cook inside. This is what I'm doing right now. Once that I've just baked my chicken, then I'll have to prepare a small gravy, then dip the chicken that I've baked, because I prefer to bake the chicken than deep fry, because when you deep fry your chicken, that is not healthy. And right now, everyone is taking care of themselves, because if you don't take care of yourself right now, no one will take care of yourself. So the best thing is to take care of yourself, and don't let anyone or wait for someone to take care of you. That's why I prefer to bake the chicken. And right now I'm going to put this chicken in the oven over here. And I will bake it for like 45 minutes. And I'll set my timer here for 45 minutes. So, see you shortly. And right now, my chicken is ready, and I have to remove it from the oven. Like so, it's very hot. And switch my oven off. The timer off, everything off. The light off. Then you can see, let me put the light on so that you can be able to see. And this is the way the chicken looked like. and you can see it has been cooked. It has cooked inside. You can see. Now what I was saying, that I'm going to prepare some gravy, then mix with this chicken, since the chicken, it has already cooked inside. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about this Durban curry. And let's put all the chicken into my gravy. And for this chicken curry, you can serve it with plain rice, plain bread, Durban chicken curry.